So in this question you're given the sequence 1 square plus 2 times 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 times 4 square plus 5 square plus 2 times 6 square plus so on. So A is the sum up to 20 terms, B is the sum up to 40 terms. So B minus 2A is 100 lambda. The question is, what is the value of lambda? So what is S20? So let us try to analyze what A and B is. S20 is the sum of these up to 20 terms. 1 square plus 2 times 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 times 4 square plus so on up to. So if you go up to 20 terms, you get 2 times up to 20 square, right? So this can be written as, so out of 2 times 2 square, I'll add 2 square first and then next 2 square. So this can be written as 2 square plus 2 square, 4 square plus 4 square, so on. So 1 square plus 1 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 4 square plus 5 square plus so on up to 1 times 20 square. So this is 1 square plus 2 square plus so on up to 20 square plus you have a remaining 2 square plus 4 square, 6 square plus so on up to extra 20 square. These are the extra terms. So this can be written as, if you take a 2 square common, this can be written as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on up to 10 square. So S20 is the sum up to squares up to 20 plus 4 times sum of the squares up to 10. So this can be written as, you know the formula for sigma n square, n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, 2 into 20 plus 1 by 6 plus 4 times n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is my A. So 3 2s are 3 7s are 10s are 3 2s are 3 7s are again 2s are. So this can be written as, you have a 7 and 10 common, 7 and 10 common. So 70 times 41 minus 22. 41 minus 22. So 70 times 41, 70 times 22. That is 70 times 19. So 41 minus 22, 22, 32, 42, 70 into 19. So this is A. So what is B? S up to 40. So by symmetry this will be 1 square plus 2 square up to 40 square plus 2 square times this will go to 20 square. Right? So S40 is sum of squares up to 40. So 40 into 41 times 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 4 times sum of squares up to 20. 20 into 21 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So 3 2s are 3 27s are 2 20s are. Here also you have 3 2s are 3 7s are 2 10s are. So what is the sum? So you have 20 times 41 times 27. So is there any common terms here? So you have a 41 common. I can take 41 outside, and so I can take a 20 outside also. So if I take a 20 outside, 41 and 20, so I have a 27 here. So 27 here, and so 41, and if I take 20 outside, I have a 14 here. So 41 into 20 times 27 plus 14. So here also I have to do plus, sorry, I've done minus. So this is 70 times 63. So this is B. So I need to do 41 times 20 times 30 and 41. I have 41 again. So the question is B minus 2A. That is 41 square times 20 minus 2 times this. 2 times A. So 2 times 70 times 63. So which is equal to, if you do the calculations, it will turn out to be 248 hundredths. And according to the question, this is 100 lambda, hence lambda is equal to 248 is the answer. Thank you.